Hi everyone, it's Karen Kellerman, the real estate lady, and today I'm going to be touring unit number 2 at 430 North Charles Street in Daytona Beach, Florida. So this is actually like a U-shaped complex. You can see the lady next door has a green thumb and some lovely plants. And then this would be your area over here in front of these two windows. So whatever you wanted to do for more flowers and plants. Somebody did put a solar light up there. I don't know if that works, but that would be nice to have at night. So this just kind of wraps around this center courtyard here that has crushed stone. Some of the grass has creeped in a little bit, and then this would be the parking area up front here. And then, so we're gonna go in and take a peek. So again, this is unit number 2. So this is a big open living room, dining room area that goes into the galley kitchen. The flooring is not wood, it's the tile that looks like wood. So you've got that nice wood look with the easier to maintain tile. So, and the walls are in a pale gray color. They actually haven't come through to do everything yet. Cleaning crew's supposed to be coming next week, and whatever we need for little touch-up repairs, plus the appliances. So you've got this little tiny galley kitchen. Just a little space there. And then your back door, you have a little tiny backyard area. Needs a little green thumb or something back here, but this is what the last tenants left as far as for privacy. So you could probably do something nicer and cuter back here, but you have all this space that you can kind of do what you want, whether you put up a nicer little fence or some lattice or something to kind of make this a cute little backyard area. So, and then there's a big yard behind it that goes to a private residence. So there's nobody like right on top of you behind you. So we go back in. You do have a washer and dryer hookup, so your stove would go right on this wall. Then you've got your washer dryer hookup, so that's great, especially if you have a stackable. But I've seen people do side by sides. The refrigerator, I've had different people do different things. So you could either put your refrigerator right here next to the washer dryer, or if you don't have a washer and dryer, then obviously you've got plenty of space. I've seen some people put the refrigerator right on this wall too. So whatever works better for your furniture layout. It's very flexible. Of course, then this is your combination living room, dining room space. So then as we go into the hallway here, we've got the front bedroom, which is the bigger of the two. These all have window ACs. There is no central air here, so everything's done with window ACs. Got this big tall closet. There's no closet doors. Usually people leave them open, or they'll hang a curtain from that top dowel there. So you've got that big space for storage. This one does have a ceiling fan in the bedroom. And then of course, straight across the hall, you've got your utility closet here that has your hot water heater. Again, put up a curtain. And then your bathroom, little tiny bathroom, but does have a regular size tub shower enclosure with some nice tile work in there. Your bathroom, and then this is the smaller bedroom, but still a decent size. You've got your ceiling fan. Someone put a very tall shelf, but the same size type of closet there behind the door. And see, somebody did have a dowel up there to hang their curtain. So kind of a nice, neat little layout. You're centrally located to the beach, the shopping, the speedway. I think you're less than 8 miles to the beach from here. So if you have any questions, just give me a call. Karen Kellerman, the real estate lady, 386-243-2000. And feel free to like and subscribe if you want to see future videos of homes for rent, homes for sale in Florida, or fun places to go and see in Florida. Thank you for visiting the channel. We'll see you next time.